Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're on the line and ready to transfer? Open the Ringcentral app and keep the caller connected. Tap the transfer button in the call controls to begin. This reveals search and keypad options. Choose a warm transfer if you need to speak with the recipient first, or pick blind transfer to send the call immediately. You do this because a warm transfer improves context and customer experience, while blind transfer is faster for straightforward redirects. Once done with the transfer menu, search for the recipient using name, extension, or number. You can also pick from recents or favorites. If you selected a warm transfer, call the person first and explain the situation. This ensures they're ready and improves handoff quality. After the brief intro, tap Complete Transfer to move the caller. For blind transfers, select the contact and confirm transfer immediately. Ringcentral routes the call without routing context unless you add a note. To finish, tap Complete Transfer or Transfer now based on your method, and verify the call status changes to transferred or disconnected on your screen. If the transfer fails, immediately use the call log to redial or forward the caller to voicemail or another extension, because quick alternatives keep the customer engaged. Make sure your network and microphone permissions are working. If problems persist, check Ringcentral service status and restart the app to reset signaling and reattempt the transfer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.